We're here in northern Finland on one of the most extreme driving events in the world, and we're with Pure McLaren Arctic Experience. So our guests obviously get to learn how to handle icy conditions in a McLaren 570, but also all the techniques that go with that. So all the oversteer, the understeer control, Scandinavian flicks. The ice adds a huge dynamic change, and that really tests all of your ability to keep the car on the straight and narrow.
The learning capacity that you get, the skills that the guys have and they pass it on to you, won't be able to learn anywhere else. You can only get it from here.
I can't find any flaw in any of it. From the time we reached the airport to just everything. The food's amazing, the coaching, the hospitality. It's just, it's beautiful.
So here at McLaren, it's not just the driving that we feel passionately about. Everything else is done to the top level of luxury. The guests get to stay in a luxury lodge, which is rated one of the top 20 in the world. We have husky sledging, we have reindeer rides, we have snowmobiling, and the competitive ice karting, where you get to go up against your friends or enemies.
I've loved every minute of it. So it's been really educational and something I never thought I'd be able to do.